Hey, buddy, what you doing over there? What you doing over here? Huh? What's she doing?
Making noise.
Yeah,
Hey,
but
don't
it's
look at me
me,
like that.
IDK again, back with another video. Animal Company. Yeah.
Ooh. Oh, stinky.
Don't worry about that username. I need to somehow change my username. But don't worry about that username. I'm IDK. Just listen. I am, I swear. Come on. What are we gonna do today?
I know exactly what we can do.
What?
Just close your eyes for a second. Go outside the safe zone and close your eyes. Stop, Mom. Stop. Stop.
Can I get an MRE?
Sharp, IDK. Stop!
I think he's...
IDK, come here. I have a surprise for you.
I have a surprise for you, too. Is that a grenade?
No, it's not. Look at it. Look. I'm not gonna...
Oh my... What just happened? What just happened?
I don't know.
I swear.
I don't know.
Should we go get some things?
You want to play with me again?
Sure. What happened last time? Yo, I'm glitching! I'm bugging! Sure.
Sharpie, you want to play? IDK, you want to play with me again?
Yeah, sure. What happened last time?
We can play Russian roulette.
Russian roulette? Let me see.
The bomb is the bullet. Taki.
What just happened? Like, what just happened, bro? Yo, can you give me a pistol? Can you give me a pistol?
I don't have a revolver yet. I haven't unlocked the revolver yet.
Okay,
Sharpie,
so
that was a
can I get a pickaxe so that we can go into the deep cave and get gems?
I don't know.
Give me a pickaxe. Give me a pickaxe. I'm going into the deep cave, okay? Okay? No.
That'll dupe your items. That'll dupe items.
No, why you lying? Why you lying?
I'm not. It dupes items, see? It's gonna dupe it. You gotta put your whole body in there. You can watch me do it.
Do it then.
See, it duped the items.
I didn't even dupe it. I saw you with two things. And then you didn't even go through the laser. You lie here.
You go through it.
Why? Why am I here just to suffer? Over and over again, just death. Can we actually go in the cave this time and get something?
Okay, enough messing around. We need to go somewhere.
Yeah, we need to go get stuff so then we can get the revolver and so then we can play Russian roulette. That's the whole thing.
Definitely.
Yeah, let's go get... Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on. I'm gonna go without you.
What do you mean we?
Come on, bro.
I don't know what you're planning.
I'm going to get more gems so then we can get the revolver.
You realize that I'm closer to unlocking the revolver than you, and plus also that's gonna take a while to get to.
How? Well, I'm getting gems so I can unlock more stuff. Oh my gosh, so dark.
Actually, if I get the revolver ammo, I can unlock the revolver and the ammo.
Okay, get it then.
Well, I can't get it yet because I haven't gone. I'm close to getting it, but I haven't gotten the research points for it. And all you want to do is just play silly little games with it.
Bro, how you just gonna take that jump, bro?
Ooh, I got 1 research point, 1 step closer.
Yo, what is that?
That's Angler. If you shine light, she gets angry.
Okay, so we just need to... Why are you shining light then? You're shining light! I'm not messing with that. I'm out. Hello? How do I get out of here? I don't want to be here anymore. That's not an exit. Did I turn this? No, that's not an exit either. Oh yeah, turn this way. This is the way out. Let me. Oh, buggy. Hello! Hello, hello! Hello? Hello? Did you die? Hello, where are you, bro? Did you die? I say last seen 1 minute ago. Hello? Why does it say last seen 1 minute ago? Ooh, see a explosive over here. I think me like you what I see. Oh! What just happened? Me like explosive. Explosive is fun. Me like explosive. Explosive is fun. I think I need this. Just in case an explosive activity happens, I need this. Explosive is fun. I like explosive. Explosive is fun. Explosive is fun. Hey, I like explosive. Explosive is fun. I like explosive. Explosive is fun. I like explosive. Explosive is fun. Ooh, explosive over there. Explosive over. I missed. I like explosive. Explosive is fun.